Hey guys, and welcome back to the YouTube video. In this video, I will show you how you can make a neural network in Python from scratch that classifies images as citrus leaves. I will also go over the steps how you can install TensorFlow. Since I just switched my laptop, I obviously needed to do this. So what I want you to do is open up your terminal or command prompt. If you are using Mac, just open up your Spotlight search and search for terminal. Uh, it's if you have a ZSH terminal, it's preferred because ZSH terminals are pretty fast. Now you will come over here, which will be having your path. Now over here you just type out pip3. In Windows you will type out pip. In Linux you will type out pip3. And if you get a bunch of commands that you can do, well then all you need to do is just type out pip3 install. Now the thing is, I just wanted to show you one thing. Just about Python 3 also. Python 3. And if you get Python 3.8 or Python 3.7 or Python 3.6, you are good. If you get Python 3.9, then it's a bit of a problem because TensorFlow is not available for Python 3.9. So then I just type out pip3 install TensorFlow, and then you can just click enter. And for me, it's showing me requirement already satisfied, so it has already installed TensorFlow 2.3.2 in like my side packages in my Mac. But for you, it should probably install it. Then what I want you to do is open up any of your editors and just import TensorFlow as TF. Then run your file. If it does not work, that means like it's not on your path or you have like made a mistake. Otherwise, it should work. So first, I've just made the imports. Pretty simple. A lot of these are not pre-installed. So pip3 install numpy and matplotlib. Go ahead, install these two modules. I think you can also just go like ampersand numpy. I think you can go like that. Now once you install matplotlib and once you install numpy, you need to import all of these packages up top. So you can see import TensorFlow, from TensorFlow import keras, numpy, matplotlib, the image data generator, and the image. Now first what I've done is I have rescaled the image. So basically we rescale it by dividing it by 255. So that is what I've done over here. Next I've made a directory, I'm sorry, a dataset, because till now it's like just an image. So over here you can see it's in my workspace, and over here you can see there's this folder called citrus. Just click on it and click on copy path. Once you copy the path, all you need to do is just paste it over here in like your place over here. So if you paste it over there, it should go ahead and do that for you. Next, what you want to do is create the model. I've created a convolutional neural network over here. This is a little bit of a pretty simple neural network, but you can see the accuracy is pretty good. So yeah, then compiled it with the Adam optimizer and a space categorical cross entropy loss, and given it a matrix of accuracy. I'm just gonna enclose it in here. Then I have just fit the model, so model.fit on the trained dataset, and I have given it 5 epochs. Then this is what we would use to get a summary on the model. It's not necessary, but just in case you want to do it. Now you can also evaluate the model. Now I'm not gonna do this because I don't have the testing data. Basically what I wanted to do is do the same thing, but instead of the trained dataset you just change this to the test dataset, and then all you need to do is just type out model dot evaluate on the test underscore dataset. What this does, it will actually test the model on the testing datasets instead of the training datasets. So that's that. And that is pretty much the entire model. In case if you want to download this, this is basically, I'm just trying to check up on the recording. If you wanted to download this, I literally did not play around with these. So let me just show you the download link. um, just go over here and Google for TensorFlow datasets. So I'm just gonna go to this link. Over here you can see it's cars 196. Now we need to search for our dataset, so citrus leaves. So you can see it says citrus leaves, so we need to visit that. So it will give a description on it. Now you need to just visit the home page and download that dataset. And once you will have downloaded it, just place it on your path and you will be making a neural network. Also, this code will be available on GitHub, so if you guys want to check it out, and if you guys want to like uh, don't want to code it, it's perfectly fine. I probably um, will make it. So if you like don't know what my GitHub repo is, I've placed it on a lot of my videos. If you want to have a look at it, go to my tool jump video. Over there I have a GitHub repo. Just go to my GitHub page and then you can just start it up, so you can see that GitHub page every time. And once you do that, you will be able to then also get this thing. Now in case if you want, I will make a requirements.txt file, but I probably will forget, so yeah, so whatever. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next time we meet, bye bye.